For the first time, the news just went to my direction again. Look at these. Wow, crazy, right? I'm starting a challenge, growing $5 to $500, and I'm just going to use the least risk management as much as possible. Okay, I'm not going to risk much, just like other forex gurus or forex traders have always done before. I'm just going to use the least risk as much as possible. Okay, so I have this Aussie CHF. Of course, I've already taken profit. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to explain this so fast. I'm not going to waste your time over here. So from the daily, I'll do this from the daily, how I came across and how I did take this sell entry, which is amazing. You can see over here the price was in a downtrend. Over here, price was in a downtrend. How do we know the price was in a downtrend? It was giving us clear structures, lower low and lower high. This is the lower low over here, bounced off to give us a lower high, bounced off to give us a lower low, bounced off to give us a lower high, and now of course it's going down to give us now a lower low. Okay, so the moment I saw that price reached and hit our resistance over here, that's when I started looking for my sell entry. So let's go back to the H4. Let's give that. So at the H4, this is what was happening. I saw that price was somehow in an uptrend at the H4. Look at this over here. Price was still in an uptrend. Remember, I was only going to look for sales, but at the same time, heading to the H4, I saw that price is still in an uptrend. So I did not want to take the sales because I just wanted to see that price was already broken out of that uptrend, and I started giving us some structure to the downtrend. Okay, so I just waited price to break out of that zone over here, just like that, and then now price started giving us this kind of continuation pattern or a correction pattern. So that is now when I decided to head over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now to the 1 hour time frame, I was looking for some sort of reversal pattern. Okay, you can see that over here price was just ranging. Over here price was ranging, then identified, the moment I did identify that price gave us this kind of movement over here. Look at this. This was quite amazing over here. Now with that, I saw some reversal pattern with this zone over here. That was amazing. That was just a double top. Okay, with that, I just had to wait for price to break out of these immediate low, and that is when I did take my sell entry. And the rest, you can see this is what's happening. Price gave us that push to the downside over here. Now let's do this. And actually that was around 70 pips, but then I still scaled in over here. I added another position over here, and price broke up, and then I can see that price is currently in somehow a correction, right? So I did close my entry, of course, because now we are trying to grow this account. So I'm in this challenge, gang, and it's about flipping $5 into $500. As you can see, this is what's happened. I'm just going to close my position currently because I'm seeing some reversal pattern, W, that's a double bottom, right? So when price gives me another $22 just like that, I'm going to close this position. So let's just see. I'll do this, then close. Just trying to see. Okay, what's this? Bulk operation. I want to close all positions. Should be. Where is that thing? Close position. Close. I don't know. So you can see that's what's up. $22, and we continue. So today's profits should be 11.70, of course, and we can see last week, you can see I did some withdrawal for $3. Then now my balance was back to $5, and now I'm trying to flip this joint and see how it plays out. All right, so I'll explain everything in my trading view. Peace. CHF, I did take that entry on October 9th, and today is 13th. Okay, so it was just a matter of holding the trades for quite some time for the trade to praise. That was around Monday, right? You see, then I did close my position today, Friday, as you can see. So I'm just trying to see how it will play out. For now, I'm still holding to my position, and you can see the reason why I did take the trade. Reason, generally we are still in a downtrend. From the daily time frame, the market gave us the third touch on our trend, which was the daily resistance. At the 1 hour, the market also formed a downtrend after breaking out of the H4 uptrend. Okay, then price also formed a triple top to give us a bearish momentum. Price continued to consolidate, giving us a continuation pattern, which was now a rectangular continuation pattern, which I did identify. Of course, you can see this is what's happening. And then finally the price broke out of consolidation zone with a bearish Marubozu candlestick at the 1 hour. I did take my sell entry position. Okay, that's what's up. So this is another one, Euro USD. Euro USD was also amazing. I did take that sell entry, and let me see, Euro USD, that is before. This should be after, I believe. Yeah, this should be after. So I did take Euro USD, that's after. Yeah, so that's what's up. And actually, let me just show you that Euro USD. I did take that trade yesterday, despite we had news was coming, but I just decided to take that entry because I saw everything was in place. Actually, so now I can see that price is still in a correction form, and let me remove this. Euro USD should be dropping down back to the center. Look at that. So the reason why I did take this Euro USD, I also have that I should be making that video too. When I was in the trade, I saw that price gave us somehow a reversal pattern over here. But before that, let's just head back to the daily. Let me just show something. Now for the Euro USD, I did take this trade in my challenge account, right? My Profam account. I not take the Euro USD in my in that challenge account. Okay, so let's go. So at the Euro USD, you can see the price was in an uptrend, but then broke out of this trend over here. Okay, with that now in mind, we saw that price was giving us certain structure over here to the down. So with that, I was only going to look for sell positions. Okay, now when going back to the H4, we can see how price was somehow respecting our trend line. Look at that. We have the first touch, the second touch, and third. Now the third touch, that is where we do execute, or we do pull the trigger. That's the second. Now the third. Now the third touch, I was actually trying to see if I can get somehow a sign to go to the downside. Now that we were still in an uptrend, if you can see over here, I just needed a reversal structure. Look at that, we were still in an uptrend over here. With that, some type of a contraction channel. So I went back to the H1 and tried to see what's happening. But then back to the 15, that is where I did take that a sniper entry this time, guys. I saw some head and shoulder over here. This was the left shoulder, the neckline, the head, and that is now price gave us that type of reversal. You can see how that clear the market or the price was. For the first time, the news just went to my direction again. Look at these. Oh, crazy, right? 2,000, I'm up $2,000. Look at these. Crazy. I'm still going to hold on to my position because I believe the market has to continue dropping despite all these impulse move from the news. Everything was analyzed and we're still in a downtrend, so news just added to our advantage. So just let it do what it does, gang. We are up $2.4. Yeah. So it's just a matter of time, guys. You just have to open your eyes and trust everything. Another thing, guys, you can see we have this is another confluence, head and shoulder, and then we also have somehow a double top. Look at that. We had that top over here, the first top, maybe neckline, the second top. So those were just confluence to give me indication that price wanted to go down, and you can see price did that, but then I did close my entry early enough. And then of course this time news was in our favor, guys, and pushed everything down. So what's happening currently this time, I can say that this is just some sort of a correction or a continuation pattern to go to the downside. That is to continue holding this. Remember, we also have something called the 90% rule. Price has not finished its journey to the downside. That's why you can see over here I have this reminder, remember the 90% rule. So it's just a matter of time to see how price is going to be. And I can also see that price already given us some sort of reversal. Maybe I should have taken my sell entry over there, then my stop loss above that zone, and now I have to target all the way down. All right, so I'll see how this plays out, guys. And also I have a Telegram channel, guys. You might consider checking the Telegram channel. Let me just show you that I have that Telegram channel that you guys need to check. Right now, here is the Telegram channel over here. You can see I'm talking about Euro USD, guys. Let me just show something. So this is Aussie Swiss franc. I did take it in my $100,000 challenge funded account, and you can see how the market did play out. You can see that is before I did take that in the Aussie Swiss franc, and you can see after that was $3,000 profit. And this was up the Euro USD that I'm just talking about. This is it. I did take that sell. You can confirm my sell position was 1.06184. that was the first entry position. You can see over here 1.061. we have 1.06188. that's, I believe that's the first position. The second position, let me just show you. All right, one over here, this was the first 1.06188. yeah, that is it. Right, you can see that. So sub confirm everything over here is 1.06188, and that is how the market was amazing. So I did send those over here. Oh, that's the Euro in the oh, this is Aussie Swiss franc before it took off. This is when I did take that entry. Everything was up. This is another one I did bag intake profit. So it's just some crazy, guys. All right, just easy. That's how we lead. So this is just another pro form account, guys. So you need to check that channel, link in the description, guys, and also smash the subscribe button, guys. So adios, amigos.